Welcome everyone. As I had promised you in my last video of Rahu that I'm going to share very important information with you. So today I'm going to give you a very important lesson with the help of which you will be able to find out the right timing to do any important work. Friends, we all know that for that we have to know the muhurata to perform any important work. But it is not always easy to study the muhurata because it is a very technical subject and not everybody can master that, or you have to seek the help of a professional, and it is not always easy to find the right professional to find the right mahurata to do that activity. In that case, you need to have the knowledge of Hora. So if you are having that simple knowledge of Hora, you can apply it anytime and for any given work, and you will see that if you do any important work in the right Hora, you will meet with success. So what is Hora all about? Friends, I'm not going to tell you how to make the Hora chart because it is always provided in the softwares, and any given software will provide you of the Hora chart. I use Prashar Light 9 software, and in that Hora chart is given. Of course, in my forthcoming videos, I may make a video on how to prepare the Hora chart just in case some of you do not have that Hora chart in your softwares. So today I am going to focus on how to use the Hora chart to get success with the kind of work that you are wanting to do. For that, I am going to take the example of Mr. Bill Gates chart. I just picked up this chart randomly because I thought I have to just explain to you the methodology with the help of which you can easily understand how to use this chart. So I am going to show you two charts. One is the Hora chart and another is Mr. Bill Gates horoscope. So I'm just going to share the screen so that I can explain this concept to you better. So here the screen is now being shared. So friends, this is the chart of Mr. Bill Gates, and this is ruled by Gemini ascendant. So the Hora chart is generally given here uh, as per Prashar Light 9. So you will be able to figure out the Hora chart. Of course, I will show you how it looks like. So we all know that the different 12 houses are connected with various areas of somebody's life. Like we all know, the first house is all about your own self, about your health. The second house is about your wealth, about your family matters. The third house is about your travels, about your siblings. The fourth house is about your comforts, about lands, about your mother, about your studies. And the fifth house is about your children, and the sixth house is about your difficulties, debts, diseases, competitions, and the seventh house is about your partnership, about your spouse. The eighth house is about sudden events, and the ninth house is about your luck, it's about your father, and the 10th house is about your career, about your social standing, and the 11th house is about your income, and the 12th house is about your charity, it's about your spirituality. So friends, why I told you about all these things, because you have to first of all see that what is the area of your life for which you are looking to do the right uh, work at the right timing. Suppose Mr. Bill Gates wants to have a business partnership and he is looking for the right timing to have that business partnership. For this, he must start that work at the Hora of Sagittarius sign. So if the Hora ascendant belongs to the Sagittarius sign, then he should do that important business meeting in the Hora of Sagittarius. So I am going to show you this chart, which is like the, which is going to give you an idea about the Hora ascendant. So here the Hora ascendant that is rising is of Virgo. So in Mr. Bill Gates chart, the Virgo sign relates to the fourth house. So friends, if he happens to do his business partnership work in the Hora of Virgo, so it is going to give him happiness for sure, because the fourth house is also about your happiness. So this Hora will also help him do his business related work. But if the Hora chart was rising off the 8th house and he was going to perform his business meeting during the Hora of Capricorn, he would have definitely met with some difficulties and the things may not have worked in his favor. So either he should be having the Hora of Sagittarius or the Hora of Virgo sign, because Virgo is bound to give him happiness, or the Hora of Sagittarius, or the Hora of the Pisces sign, because Pisces is going to give him some status. So if he goes and does that business meeting in the Hora of Pisces, in that case, it is bound to give him a good status, a good position. So this will also help him achieve his business meeting with success. If he happened to do his business meeting in the Hora rising of Aries sign, then I would say that that business meeting would have met with success and it would have also earned him huge amount of income. So friends, you should always try to have the right Hora to do the important work that you are wanting to do. Suppose in this case only, Mr. Bill Gates was wanting to have some kind of meeting related to his children, which is the 5th house. So if he happened to have the Hora, this is the Hora chart of Virgo, then what can we expect for his children? So if he did the work related to his children in the Hora of Virgo, it would have given him happiness. It was ideal if the Hora of the 5th house, that is Libra sign, was rising. In that case, he would have certainly met with lots of contentment related to his children. But even the Hora of Virgo will give him peace of mind and give him happiness. And even the Hora of Sagittarius will be good for him. The Hora of Ascendant would also be good for him. The Hora of the 10th house would also be good for him. So many a times the Hora of the 6th house may be rising, or the Hora of the 12th house may be rising. The 12th house Hora rising is not good because it is bound to give you some expenditures, some losses. So if he was wanting to do something related to his children, and if he did that in the Hora of the Taurus sign, that is sign number 2, which was rising, in that case he would have met with some kind of expenditures, or things would not have worked in his favor. If he did that work in the Hora of the 6th lord, that is Scorpio here, Hora rising of Scorpio, again he would have faced some difficulties. So ideally, either you should be getting the Hora of the same house, or Hora of the Kendra houses, or the Hora of the 11th house, or even the 2nd house Hora will give you some kind of gains. But friends, whenever you are studying the Hora, keep in mind the functionality of the planets also, because for the Gemini rising, Sagittarius is Badhak also. So if he did that important work meant for his children in the rising of Sagittarius or Pisces sign, in that case, he must have faced some obstacles, and after facing those obstacles, he would have met with success, because Sagittarius is a functionally malefic sign for the Gemini ascendant. So you have to see the functionality of the planets also. But the Hora concept is pretty simple. Try to do your important work in the right Hora and you will definitely meet with success. Before concluding, also I would like to tell you that there are different days to do important work. Suppose you are wanting to go for some land related work. In that case, go on Tuesdays, because Tuesday is the day for land related work, land related purchase. If you are wanting to do something related to your career, then use the day of Saturday. If you want to do something related to your business or sale, then use the day of Wednesday. Thursday is very good for educational matters and for children matters. Friday is very good for relationship matters, marriage matters, and for shopping matters. And Monday is also a good day for shopping and for purchase of your goods. So friends, if you are not able to do your important work on these days, in that case, any given day will provide you with all the horas, and these horas they repeat twice a day. So look for the right hora to do your important work, and you will surely meet with success. So this was all about this video, friends. So I am stopping the share now, and thank you all for listening, and apply this hora for your day-to-day life and do your important work in the right hora to meet with success.